You know, see this flight. Don't they carry them go where they don't know? Hey, wallet. You know what the latest? Hey, and the silica. And the silica, the flight with a bed that day. They say that Ethiopia get out. I don't die, Nigerian people. My belly. Oh boy, when I see that. Hey, oh yes, sir. Hey, you know I put again on set. Welcome to Big Things Go TV Motorization. My country people, hey, the foreign contact for they come, oh, hey, they say flight with a better day. They say the flight, you remember now before Buhari want come up for seats. Then they brief flight come, we say, okay, we hear the word say, okay, yes, yeah, okay, Nigeria is progressing. They say na scam. Because you know say Nigerian people, the youth too smart. Even when they bring a flight come, see the video that they watch video where they show you for this corner. The thing for the back, they can't forget to scrape the Ethiopian neck out. Because new flights what they do. No, even the first viewing of this flight, see the picture, they can't put the name Nigeria on top. It's supposed to lash where, supposed to cover and wear, you understand? Zumba. Oh wait, I better share this video. Ria Wototo, I recommend I read some small comment for you. Small comment to say other association of Nigerian youth comment. I say wow. Hey, Jack Potiti, enough potty. My country people, make una not vex say I no quick connect with the video. Oh boy, I don't, you know they see my eye they red. I got calm down, oh boy. Hey, wait, this one laughable content, my country people. More will you read some comments. I bet me share this video when you comment woto. How you see this matter? Hey, the yashas open again you. Hey, say if it's China, and the Saraka will be sentenced to buy and be next week latest. If it's Japan, it will. I know if you talk the thing tonight, so avoid the shame and embarrassment. As it all carry and go, it start just all of the concern matter. He said if it is the US, they will arrest him today and charge him to court. In Nigeria, guess, more read comments. He will receive national honor in Nigeria. My country people, hey, wait. Somebody say, I will not be surprised to see him in a closed door meeting next week with the president in Aso Rock as member of the team ship. He shake head. He say, God, help my country. We need God. Hey, wait. Somebody say EFCC will leave him and go after boys in Asaba, in Benin, tagging them. Yeah, boys. All the ministries that work with Buhari are men. Oh boy. Hey, whoa. Hey, way. I'm short of the words. I just say me could just laugh because this content na laughable content. As in when me first see the flight, I say, are you playing? Hey, way. I say, really? Okay, hey, whoa. I say, Which kind of flight be this one? When I dey enter flight, I dey see say the flight they match together with the flight, as in with the you know, the plane now, the thing now. Just like for example, now you go do printing. Person wey no sabi do printing, if you print am, the thing go bend. But professional go do am. In talk of saying na flight, na professional they must give, but they go give one person for her back. No be they never even carry am go China. People say they carry am go China for couple and wear, do and wear. Where we say people no queen no, but they go give 2.5 2.5 vendor. Away. No, free of charge vendor. Come what you do for you, go put it for seat. No, that's what they do now. Now they just prepare her for there. Oh boy, this person that first see him, this guy where they call Davidson. I don't forget your other name. The guy where they put their hand. You don't now if I talk about this thing that time, but I say no, I cannot carry this kind of thing. I cannot say it because we never confirm and today. FG. Oh man, I don't go. I don't leave the matter like this. I don't think I can give an update. When I see no do one will do. Now the update, the latest, the guan. Hey, in that